How to block someone on Bigo Live account. Let's get started. Launch your Bigo Live app. You will land to the live page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Now over here, type in the username, ID or live title of the person whom you want to block. Once profile of that person appears, click on it. After you head towards the profile page of that person, at the top right corner, you will find 3 dots. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of block. Once you block this person, this user will not be able to send you messages or enter your live room profile page and see your post. Click on block. Block success. With that, I have just blocked this person. Applying the same process, you can block anyone in your Bigo Live account. So this way, you can easily block someone on Bigo Live account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.